Hello guys, I decided to buy the Lenovo Legion Go. So this is Lenovo's first handheld, proper gaming PC as well in the hand, and we're gonna have a look at it and do a quick unboxing as well. So this is rivaling the Steam Deck and Asus ROG Ally as well. So it's open to see how nice it looks first, and then later on in the video or the next video I'll do some gameplay. So you get the box first like this. My room's quite tight, I need my space. So this is what it looks like in the box. It's just like the Steam Deck a little bit. So this is the plug you get. 65 watt to Type C. It's a different type of Type C with yellow colour inside. Okay, let's put it to one side. So this is what it looks like with the bag and the little sleeve. See, with the Asus you don't get none of this, but Lenovo done it just like the Steam. Oh wow, this is massive. Oh, this is a big handheld. Just to let you guys know, you get that little stand for your little Joy-Con, that's what I call it, if you want to play on handheld like that. Oh wow, this is massive. Just look at the size of that. Oh wow, I didn't expect it to be that big. Damn, that is big. I actually can't believe it from looking at videos. It looks a little bit smaller, but it just depends on people's hand size. But this is massive. It actually feels quite good as well, not gonna lie. The quality does feel a little bit better than the Asus. 8.8 inch 2K screen as well. You can see a fan there, nice big heatsink around there. I'm gonna upgrade this later as well to a 2TB, but we shall see. There's the Switch style stand, can't go wrong with that. But yeah, it looks like there's a lot of space in this, so should be able to get good airflow. But yeah, if it's good, first thing is, if it's good, then I'll upgrade it. How do you take these Joy-Cons off? Oh, there we go. It's just a button here, and you twist that, slide out. I still think the Switch is dominant on that, but I gotta get used to this first. Okay, you just clip it in, I think. Yeah, push it in and clip it up. Okay, but there you go. That's how big it is. It's massive, but it does feel good. Much better quality than the Asus. That's what I think. I'm gonna play Cyberpunk. These are my settings. As you can see. Oops, there you go. Resolution I put to the max, and yeah, let's give it a go. It's not bad, it does run quite well. You do get some low frames, but it's not that bad. So yeah, I'm on performance mode and I'm running the 6 gig as well, so I had to go on the BIOS to do that. So it does run nicely, can't go wrong. I mean, my honest opinion, I enjoy it more than the Ally when I had it. It's just my SD card started to get really hot. It nearly melted, but I got lucky. Plus this resolution as well is very nice. Like in person, the screen is very good as well. Like it's quite vibrant, and it's big as well, which is quite sick. And the vibration's all good as well. Oops. So yeah, we can try Forza now and see how that runs. But yeah, you can get higher refresh rate as you put the resolution much lower on certain details. I like how it is already. So yeah, there you really have it. It's a very good handheld, can't lie. I definitely enjoy it more than the Ally. Mostly is because it feels very nice on the hands. That big screen is just amazing. You can watch videos on it as well, it's quite good. Yeah, it's just that screen sold it for me. Plus you can take these off as well. These, like, call them Joy-Cons, and I do like this. I use it for the mouse pad. I mean, it is a mouse pad anyway, but it's very good. And the vibration is good as well. My only downsides are when you take these off, these controllers, I've seen like in the metal part, you see right inside, I'm taking off properly as well. You've got minor scratches, so when you take it off, so I'm a bit disappointed about that. Windows still a bit funny on these handhelds. Sometimes a bit annoying. You've got to keep on pressing on certain stuff. The Lenovo settings like this, or what they call it, Legion, something that's a bit slow sometimes as well, which is not good. I know I've got a case on this. The thermals are okay, it's not that bad, but the micro SD card does get very hot, like really hot. So I wish they like put a fan there or something to help cool it as well. But it's really bad. Like, luckily there's nothing melted. I've checked everything, but it hasn't melted, which is good. But it does get really hot. Like, you can cook an egg on it. Example. I wish the speakers were at the front, because they do get loud, but it's not facing you, it's going that way, right up that way, and which makes it quiet. So if it was here, or somehow it can fit somewhere, it would have been very good. The stand is good. It's not that hard to open as well, because I've changed the SSD to a 2 TB. I had to get one of them little brackets, so I put a WD SSD in it, which works very fast. I was quite impressed. I do like these as well. These are good. I haven't really mapped any of these yet. But yeah, so far not bad. Battery life's been good. Managed to play over an hour on Cyberpunk. I don't think I could play a bit too long because I'm quite busy, but I think that was a good time. Much over an hour on Forza, and I do play Genshin and Honkai Star Rail, and I've played over 2 hours on each game. Not together, but like separate days or certain hours once it's fully charged. And I tried this. It's up to you guys. But I did try a 100-watt plug, which was for my laptop. It charged this so quick, so I was quite amazed. It was so quick, the 100-watt charger. It's very good. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I do like these lights as well here. I think these are not bad, the analogs, but I wish they were just a little stiff. But you can control all of that in the settings. Not to make it stiff, but digitally stiff. The light is not bad there. I like that it's 2 Type-Cs, but sometimes I was in an awkward position, so I charged my Lenovo from the bottom and sometimes on the top, so that's good as well. Or you can plug your SSD in it, totally up to you. But yeah, it's amazing. I need to take the stick off because I don't know why I got it, but yes, it's very good. I'm amazed with it. Can't really go wrong. I played it more than going on my PC, which is it's not good, because I do really want to go back on my PC. But yeah, there you have it. Yeah, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Thanks.